mean, electric vehicles, that's where the world seems to be going at the moment. The next phase, as far as the automotive industry goes, it's much better on the environment for our children and their children. So as far as the vehicle itself goes, the servicing costs and safety aspects of the vehicle are just getting so much better. It's surprising the number of charging points that are around the country. They're just everywhere. So yeah, I mean, we've got a couple here. We've got an external one outside. We have them in the workshop here as well. So I think any company at the moment, they have to be so far ahead of the game to be so that we're still in it in a few years' time. And Hyundai are definitely one of those companies. Hey, who knows what's going to happen with hydrogen as well. Essentially, the EV part of it, the electric motor is the same, but the fuel source comes from a fuel cell rather than a battery. So it just goes along with the culture we've already got anyway. We want to keep developing and learning anyway. You just can't stand still. As you learn and develop, things get better and better all the time.